हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे नए वीडियोस देखते रहने के लिए मेरे वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए ये साइन सब्सक्राइब को अवश्य क्लिक करें। इसके बाद ये बेल के साइन को क्लिक करें। यहाँ इसको बॉक्स को क्लिक करने के बाद सेव करें ताकि आप नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए। थैंक यू। Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back. It's a new video for you, and here we are going to practice speaking English in past tense. It's a video, and this is the video where I'll tell you a short story in past tense, and I'll write the sentences one by one, step by step, in simple language. After that, I'll let you know how to practice writing in past tense after that video. So don't forget to watch that video until it ends. So let's start. It's a story about a crow. So it's a story a thirsty crow. I want to change the color of this. A thirsty crow. So first sentence I am writing, there was a crow. There was a crow. Okay, first sentence, simple. Second, it was very thirsty. Remember one thing, we always use it for animal, birds, and even for children. Like, she delivered a child. It was a boy, like this. Okay, so we use it for animal, birds, and for children. There was a crow. It was very thirsty. Okay, next, it was flying here and there. Why? In search of water. In search of water. It was flying here and there in search of water. It found a pitcher. Under a tree. It found a pitcher under a tree. I'm using again it. Went near the pitcher. It went near the pitcher. And it peeped into the pitcher. It peeped into the pitcher. Next, it peeped into the pitcher. Next, it found the water level in the pitcher was very low. It found the water level in the pitcher was very low. Next, It couldn't drink water or couldn't reach. Couldn't drink or reach the water. It thought an idea, or it had, or thought an idea. It thought an idea. What was the idea? So after that story, you have to make questions of the story, like who was thirsty? Answer is crow was thirsty. I'll make another video for it, but you may make questions and write in the comment box until I make a new video on that. Okay, you may do that. आप बना सकते हो वीडियो, सॉरी क्वेश्चंस बना के आप कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हो उसके। मैं इस पे एक नया वीडियो बनाऊंगा कि क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाएंगे आप स्टोरी से। दैट विल गिव यू राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस आल्सो इन पास्ट टेंस। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस। इट हैड और थॉट एन आइडिया। सो व्हाट वाज द आइडिया? इट कलेक्टेड some stone pieces. It collected some stone pieces near the pitcher. Okay. And it dropped the stone pieces or pebbles, you can say. It dropped the stone pieces into the pitcher one by one, until the water level came up. It dropped the stone pieces into the pitcher one by one until the water level came up. It drank water. Next, it flew away after drinking water. It flew away after drinking water. So you see how simple that was. It's a past tense, and just I used subject and second form of the verb to make a complete sentence or complete sense. So thirsty crow. There was a crow. It was very thirsty. It was flying here and there in search of water. It found a pitcher under a tree. It went near the pitcher and it peeped into the pitcher. It found the water level in the pot was very low. Couldn't drink water. It had an idea. It collected some stone pieces or pebbles near the pitcher. It dropped all the stone pieces into the pitcher until the water level came up. It drank water and it flew away. So that was the story. Please try to listen to that video again and again and try to speak the same story in your own words without reading or without writing. That will give you speaking practice in past tense. And the next video I'm going to make on the same topic, and I'll make you understand how to make questions from that story to practice writing. If you think it's a nice video for you to practice, please like it and share it for others, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. And I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. So if you think you want to learn English with me through Skype online from your home itself, you may contact me to talk to me in detail. I'll design a customized course for you as per your requirements. So thanks for watching that video. Thank you. Keep watching and keep enjoying. Thank you.